This is the process of referencing the machine. First of all, you highlight the three axes, the X, the Y, and the Z. Then you move the machine bed a little to the negative axis. Then select the reference button, press the positive button, and you allow the machine to reference the zone. So you can see the beds moving, returning to their machine home. After referencing, the reference three buttons highlights. So this concludes the referencing procedure by showing the machine three axes 0, 0, 0. Thank you.